Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 13. Results from the 2013 Caribbean Secondary Education Council CSEC exams are better than last year's. The Education Ministry says improved results were seen across major subject areas, including English language, and marginal improvements in mathematics.
In the public schools, there has been an increase in passes in 25 of 35 subject areas. Of note is that nearly 12% increase in passes in the core subjects of English language, indicating that nearly 2/3 of the students who sat the examination passed.
The Education Minister congratulated candidates who had done well, even while he encouraged those who did not pass.
Students, teachers, parents, coaches all deserve our approbation. We want to encourage those who haven't been successful to, what do the young people say, wheel and come again?
Meanwhile, starting September, the Education Ministry will be implementing an intensified mathematics program to improve students' performance at the secondary level. While there has been a marginal increase in the 2013 Math CSEC results, it's the lowest increase among improved subject areas. The intensified mathematics program will be implemented as part of the National Mathematics Policy Guidelines and should address the consistently poor performance in the subject.
The central objectives of the intensified mathematics program are to ensure that persons engaging our children in the teaching and learning of mathematics have a sound knowledge of the content and the most effective methods to engage students in a manner which is focused on developing, first, conceptual understanding, second, computational fluency, and problem-solving skills.
And still on education, the Students' Loan Bureau, SLB, will begin providing credit information on its customers to two recently licensed credit bureaus starting August 15. The credit bureaus are Credit Info Jamaica Limited and CRIF NM Credit Assure Limited. SLB says the information will be issued on all persons in its system, and the implementation of credit scoring should help the Bureau reduce its delinquency rate. The Credit Reporting Act of 2010 gives credit bureaus authority to access credit information, like one's loan payment history, from financial institutions such as banks and credit unions. Credit bureaus may then pass on that information to companies doing business with individuals with that person's consent. As part of its backlog reduction strategy, the Justice Ministry will be expediting the Justice Square project in downtown Kingston to provide more courtrooms and chambers for judges. The Portfolio Minister, Senator Mark Golding, says so far the basement and the first two floors, located in the former National Commercial Bank building, have been renovated and remodeled as courtrooms and chambers for judges with a registry and holding area. The ministry is in the process of getting NCB's approval to continue on the two upper floors. Minister Golding says the estimated time for completion is 5 months. This will allow for an additional 11 courtrooms to be created, 7 of which will be in the former NCB building and 4 in the Supreme Court building. On completion, there will be an additional 15 chambers for judges, 3 of which will be for masters in chambers. Phase 1 of the Justice Square project began after the ministry signed a $399 million contract on February 23, 2011. Government has allocated $410 million to continue construction works this fiscal year. And finally, the Jamaica Information Service continues its Golden Jubilee celebrations with the return of its annual Heritage Essay Competition. Now in its 3rd year, the competition will run from August 5 to October 25. Youngsters are invited to write an essay responding to the question, "What makes our Jamaican heritage special?" The competition is open to students between 9 and 12 years of age, and they can access application forms and guidelines on the JIS website, jis.gov.jm. The student with the best essay will win a trophy and fabulous prizes courtesy of sponsors. Entries will be judged on relevance to the topic, originality, accuracy, analysis of researched data, neatness, presentation style, and language skills. Students may email heritageessay@jis.gov.jm for more information. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.